Sydney, you like that mouse? I got here too late. I didn't get to see you playing with it. It's about time you stole something of Allie's. Although he didn't steal anything of yours, did he? What are you doing? Alright, well, I guess there's no mouse story here. Here, Sid. You were just playing with it a second ago. Oh, well. See you later, Sid. Today is March 7th. Oh, there he goes. Tomorrow is Sydney's 15th birthday. And we didn't get him anything. This is what we should have got him. Because he actually likes it. You see him playing with it?
Yeah.
He likes it. You like it, Sid?
He must, or else he wouldn't be doing that.
Okay, Sid. We'll see you later.